How are you? I hope you are well at home. Today I am going to teach you food for health. This lesson. So, what is this lesson? Which food we should take for our body, or should we keep our body healthy? That all we can know from this lesson. Here, see one of the activity given. Name any two things you have for dinner. What do you take for the dinner? Even chapati and sambar, or chapati and palya, or rice. The things you can write on the dash. Name two healthy snacks you can eat. Which is a healthy snacks evening time you are taking, no? Not bakery item. Even salads, fruits. These are the healthy snacks. Look at from this lesson. Why do we need food? Why do we need food, children? We need all food to grow and to get energy to work. Yes, we always working. Is it no? Even children, elders, even youngers, everybody we are working and we are living. So if you want to live or to work, we want to get the energy and we should grow. For this purpose, we need the food. And we have to take a food by cooking. Why no? To remaining strong and to live healthy life. When we take correct amount of the food, that's a healthy for our body. Even food contains substances that our body needs to grow and stay healthy. If we take correct type of the food, so our body always should be healthy. So that type of the food, which one? Nutritious food. So that is called the nutritious food. So when we take nutritious food, we always should be healthy. What is that nutritious food? The food that is rich in nutrients is called the nutritious food. Which one is the vegetables, fruits, cereals. So from these all mixed together, it is the nutritious food. Even children must always eat nutritious food to be able to study and play well. Even you are the children, if you take a correct nutritious food, you will be healthy, you can stay and you can play very well in the in your playing time and you can study very well. So the food we eat usually or regularly is called our diet. So there are three main kinds of the groups that should be take our diet. So which one? Energy giving food, body building food, again protective food. So these are the three types of the diets. If you want to get energy for our body, for why? To work, play and to be active, it is called the energy giving food. Which food gives us energy to make work, to play, to be active? That food is called the energy giving food. Which are that? See, rice, sugar, oil, ghee, chapati, bread, potato, butter. These are the energy giving foods. When you take these foods, uh, your body will get the energy. Then bodybuilding food. If you want to become a bodybuilder, which food you have to take? Food helps the body to grow is called the bodybuilding food. Which food helps to grow your body? It is the milk, eggs, fish, chicken, beans, peas, other pulses. Do you know the pulses? Do you know the pulses? Grain grams. So these are the pulses. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಳೆಕಾಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ ಅದನ್ನು. Then these food items help the body building muscles in healing the injured parts of our body. If we take these foods, even egg, fish, chicken, milk. Every day you have to take the milk. What it makes? No, it keeps our muscles strong. Then protective food. Which are the protective food? All the vegetables and the fruits are the protective food. So this food helps us to be strong and healthy. So it is called the protective food. So how it can help us? It protect our body from the illness. If any diseases will come, no, that can protect these food. Which are that? I said no, fruits, vegetables, even green leafy vegetables. So these are all apple, banana, pumpkin, papaya. In vegetables, brinjal, carrot, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach. These are all the very good food for our body. We always must take these type of the food every day routine. We must eat something from all three food groups in every meal. It should be healthy. So what we know now, energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. These three types of foods also we have to take, and every meal time, morning breakfast or afternoon lunch, night dinner, in this mealing time we have to eat these groups of food, so we should be healthy. Some people they do not eat meat or eggs, so they are called the vegetarian. Those who not eating eggs, meat, or like chicken, mutton, so that people are called the vegetarians. So vegetarians must have a lot of pulses, nuts in their diet to stay healthy. Even diet, if they want to be stay healthy, they want to include pulses. Pulses ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಳೆಕಾಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, pulses, and again nuts, dry nuts, almond, pista, badami, like that we have to include, who are vegetarian people. And non-vegetarian people, what non-vegetarian people call? Those who eat meat and fish, eggs, they are called the non-vegetarians. And again, if you want to keep our body healthy, we must take the water. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Every day we have to drink 8 to 6 6 to 8 glasses of the water. Why we need this much of water? Water helps to remove waste from our body. So the water removes our body waste from the water. Then what is balanced diet? So when we take the right amount of the protective food, bodybuilding food and the energy giving food, it is called the balanced diet. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ರೈಸ್, ಚಪಾತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫಿಶ್, ಎಗ್, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, pulses, again protective food alliro vegetables and fruits. If we take a correct amount in our meal, it is called the balanced diet. We must always eat the balanced diet. It makes us stay healthy and it makes our strong also. I am telling always meal. No, what is meal? The food we eat at a fixed time every day, from morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night dinner. Is it no? The three parts are eating time. That is the fixed time. That is called the meal. We must eat the three main meals at the fixed time. Morning as breakfast, afternoon as lunch, night as dinner. Like that we should take the meal. Then what are the good habits? Good food habits. How should we eat? So when we are going to the eating, we must wash our hands with a soap before and after eating also. That all you learn from the LKG onwards. Is it no, children? You know that. Take only as much food on your plate as you can eat. So how much you can eat, only that much you have to take on the plate. Then when you are eating, you have to chew the food well. You have to chew the food well. And when you are eating, you should not speak or we should not laugh with food in our mouth. Why? Because if we eating in our mouth, if we speak or if we laugh, that food will stuck on our uh, mouth. Okay, we'll get a emergency. So that's why. Then after the eating, you have to rinse your mouth. So when you are chewing, that food all in stuck in the teeth, no. So when you rinse from the water, it will all come out. Then eat clean and fresh food to stay healthy. When you eat yesterday's food or preserved food, it's not the good for health. So if you want to be healthy, you should take clean and fresh food. Eating uncovered or stale food can make us sick. So uncovered food where we can see in the roadside, it's not covered, no. So that uncovered food, it makes us sick. So we should avoid that roadside food. Then always eat fresh and well cooked food. So yesterday's food or preserved food, we should not take it. We always eat the fresh food. Then drink plenty of water. And that time I said no, 6 to 8 glasses for each day. You have to take 6 to 8 glasses of the water. So that is enough for your body. Then eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Even the fruits and vegetables also there is a more water content. So you should take at least each day you can take one fruit or one vegetable. That's it, good for your health. Okay, this is the lesson, children. Next class I will send notes through the WhatsApp. You can copy down and you can read this lesson also. I hope you are understand well, children. Bye.